Welcome to the Algo AI Euro 2024. Today's Group C match is between Denmark and Serbia. A win for Denmark will guarantee qualification to the next round. A win for Serbia will keep their qualifications hope alive. Who will it be? The match is about to start. 2 versus 2, first team to 10 goals wins. And we have kickoff, with Serbia almost scoring the first goal. And Denmark almost scoring there. Free ball, anyone for it? Well, both teams are playing very carefully. I think they don't want to concede the first goal. And Denmark open goal, and they have scored. So Denmark taking the first goal. Nice counter-attack from the midway point. Open goal. Where are the defenders? 1-0 for Denmark. And Serbia has replied almost immediately. Straight from the whistle, through the defenders, into goal. 1-1. Open goal for Denmark, and a quick tap-in to score the second goal. (2-1) for Denmark. Well, and somehow the ball rolled into the Danish goal. Where are the Danish defenders, you might ask? 2-2. Nice attempt on goal from Denmark. Well, and a goal from Serbia. Recovering from a near miss on their side, the Serbian striker hit the ball from the midway line. 3-2 for Serbia. And they have scored another one. Where are the Danish defenders? The striker got behind them and scored. 4-2 for Serbia. And a terrible own goal from the Danish defender, dribbling it straight back from the midway point. These players are controlled by AI models. To train them, we look at their FIFA World Ranking. The higher the ranking, the more games this model gets to train on. Denmark is ranked 19th, and their AI model gets to train on 1.5 million games. Serbia is 34th, and its model gets to train on 1.25 million games. That's quite close, and we should be in for a very even game, in theory. We join the game back at 5-2 for Serbia. Well, both teams are not letting go of the ball. Serbia applying pressure, but Denmark is defending well. The Danish player has broken free and he scores. Both sides playing very tightly, not letting go of the ball, but the Danish player broke free and scored. 5-3 for Serbia. Nice clearance from the defender. Serbia on the attack again. Open goal, and he scores. Good teamwork from the two strikers. They're scoring into the goal. And it's 6-3 for Serbia. Oh, is it going to go into goal? Anyone going to take the ball? And the Danish striker just had to tap it in. It was a free ball, rolling into goal. Just needed a little push. 6-4 for Serbia. And it's 7-4 now. Into the side of the goal. The defenders were there but could not stop it. 7-4 for Serbia. Well, the ball is rolling into goal. And finally it rolled into the goal. A loose ball rolling into goal and hit the side of the netting. 7-5 for Serbia. And 8-5 now. Straight into the middle of the goal. Right off the whistle. 8-5 for Serbia. Oh, dangerous cross across the goal there. Oh, and an unfortunate own goal. Hit the defender into goal. Wedge point for Serbia. Oh, and it's in to the side of the goal. I think it touched the defender there. Yes, it did. And there we have it. Denmark 5, Serbia 10. Denmark was the favourites coming in, but bad defending from Denmark and good teamwork from Serbia handed Serbia the victory. And this is how the table of Group C looks like. Denmark and Serbia are on the middle with 3 points each. The battle for the second place is wide open. A question for our viewers. Who do you think will finish second on this table? Is it Serbia? Is it Denmark? Or could it even be England? Put your answers in the comments below. And while you ponder on that question, don't forget to like and subscribe.